Reading is awesome! And so are you, and so is this book. This book is about friendships and seasons and a dog and a frog. It's called City Dog, Country Frog. If you've ever had to make new friends because you've moved away or your friend moved away, you're going to like this book a lot. You'll relate to it. City Dog, Country Frog. Spring. That's one of the 4 seasons. That's the time of year where flowers bloom and it's nice to go outside. It's a little cool and crisp, but it has so much energy because there's so much new life growing. City Dog didn't stop on that first day in the country. He ran as far and as fast as he could. And all without a leash. City Dog spotted something he had never seen sitting on a rock. It was Country Frog. "What are you doing?" asked City Dog. "Waiting for a friend," replied Country Frog with a smile. "But you'll do." Aw, Frog was waiting for a friend, and along comes City Dog. And look, City Dog is wagging his tail. I think he likes making new friends. City Dog and Country Frog played together. City Dog was new to the country, so Country Frog taught him Country Frog games. I wonder what kind of games Country Frog taught him. Do you think he taught him leapfrog? Or something about jumping? Or how to croak ribbit? I don't know, but whatever it is, I bet these 2 new friends have a lot of fun doing it. Country Frog's games involved jumping and splashing and croaking. Oh, look. City Dog is enjoying a drink of water. And he's wagging his tail. Happy, 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 happy. It's nice that it is a season of spring and they can drink from the water and play in the grass and jump and splash and croak. It's a season of friendship. And they are becoming fast, fun friends. It's sometimes hard to make new friends, but these 2 are really good at it. I think you're really good at it too. That was spring. The season of spring, where you bloom new flowers and, in this case, a new friendship. Summer. What will happen in this season? It's hotter, usually in the summer. What will City Dog do? City Dog didn't stop to admire the green, green grass. He ran straight for Country Frog's rock. Hey, do you know what it's like to move somewhere new and make a new friend? It's so exciting. It's fun to run to see your new friend. I understand City Dog and his excitement to see his friend Country Frog. He wants to know how his friend's doing. It's been a long time, from spring to summer, since they saw each other. Oh, I wonder what they're going to do. I am going to do you a favor, said City Dog when he found Country Frog. I'm going to teach you City Dog games. I wonder what kind of games Dog considers City Dog games. He has a stick in his mouth. What game would a dog play with a stick? And could the frog play it too? It does look like a beautiful summer day for playing in that field. City Dog's games involved sniffing and fetching and barking. I bet you knew about the fetching. You guessed that, didn't you? When you saw the stick, you said, I bet they're going to play fetch. And the frog will throw the stick for the city dog. You were right. Friends do things like that, don't they? They will play each other's games. Maybe one friend has an idea and the other friend will play along. It's called taking turns. It's what friends do. City Dog and Country Frog played until Country Frog was too tired to sniff and fetch and bark anymore. He's so tired. Look at him. He puts his hand across his forehead and goes, whoosh. Ugh. He's a tired country frog. I know an opa who goes like that whoosh, when he is tired too. I saw him do it just this morning. I caught it on video. Look at this. Silly Opa and Beemo. That was summer. What's the next season? What comes after summer? Do you know? Fall. Fall is a season that comes after summer. Sometimes it's called autumn. Fall and autumn are the same season. They just are different words to describe it. I wonder what will happen to City Dog and Country Frog in the fall. City Dog didn't stop to sniff the falling leaves. He ran straight to Country Frog's rock. He was excited to see Country Frog. I wonder if he's thinking about all the games they will play. Maybe they'll run and splash and croak, or fetch and bark. What shall we play today? Asked City Dog. Dog or frog games? City Frog took a deep breath. I am a tired frog, replied Country Frog. Maybe we can play remembering games. Oh, Country Frog has become elderly. Sometimes when people and frogs age, they can't run and jump and splash as much as they could when they were younger. But they can remember things and talk about things and tell stories. So even when you have friends who can't run and jump and be active, they still can share time together. City Dog and Country Frog sat together on the rock. They remembered their spring, jumping and splashing and croaking. They remembered their summer, sniffing and fetching and barking. Good memories. And look in the clouds. They're thinking about the times when they were playing. Can you see? It's like their memories are showing up in the clouds. They aren't jumping and sniffing and fetching, but they can picture it in their minds. That was fall. It was a quiet season for the two friends. But they still really enjoyed each other's company. Winter. Winter is a cold season. And sometimes you get snow. City Dog didn't stop to eat the snow. He ran straight for Country Frog's rock. Have you ever eaten snow? Me too. I've eaten snow. It's cold on my tongue. But today, City Dog didn't stop to eat any snow. He was excited to see his friend. City Dog looked for Country Frog. Where is the frog? He's not on the rock. Country Frog was not there. Country Frog is not on his rock. Have you ever had a friend move away? Or maybe you moved away from a friend? It's hard when you don't see them anymore. I think that's what City Dog is feeling. That was winter. It's hard when you don't see your friends anymore. I see flowers. Oh, it says spring again. Country Chipmunk spotted something she had never seen sitting on a rock. It was City Dog. Aw, look at Country Chipmunk. She's cute. I think she's holding an acorn. And on the rock, she sees something she's never seen before. It's City Dog. "What are you doing?" asked Country Chipmunk. "Waiting for a friend," replied City Dog sadly. City Dog came back in spring, hoping to find Frog. "Waiting for a friend," he replied sadly. Then he smiled a froggy smile and said, "But you'll do." That's what Country Frog said to him at the beginning of the book. But you'll do. That was spring again. The blooming of flowers and the starting of friendships. That was spring again. And look, Chipmunk is sharing. Just like we just shared this book together. Friendships are fun, but friendships are also sometimes sad because people move away, you move away. But you know what? There's always an opportunity to make a new friend. Be it a person, a boy, a girl, a frog, a dog. Like these two. They became fast friends, even though they are a little bit different. Friendships are awesome, no matter what they look like. And you know what else is awesome? Reading. And reading with you is super awesome. I've enjoyed spending time with you today, and I look forward to reading another book with you again soon.